got a train for you. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, or black. Yes, Daniel's got a train for you. Oh yeah, now.
So it has two engines.
Hey, it's going backwards.
That's why it has two engines on this side. Remember the cow trains? They have two engines on this side. Two engines. You know, locomotives.
Oh.
That's why I added two engines on this train. This is the Long Island Railroad train. That's why it says Long Island Railroad train on this end. So this is the Long Island Railroad.
If you're looking for a train, then you're on the right track. Oh, Daniel's got a train for you. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, or black. Yes, Daniel's got a train for you. Oh yeah, now. Daniel's got a train for you.
It's going on the top bridge again. Oopsie. He's going to stop at the danger zone.
Oh man, he's going to the danger zone.
And he's going to stop at it because over there is some more track.
To the danger zone. How did it just be? Highway to the danger zone. Those guys are too scared. Only the silver train is brave enough. Highway to the danger zone. Well, the other trains see the brave silver train and are ready to follow him. There they go. Oh, they chickened out again. Oh, those guys.
It's going backwards because there's a steam locomotive.
Ah, they made the right call, I think. Until next time.